Hi guys, this is Rika and welcome back to my channel. So dahil natuwa ako dun sa kilay ko sa last video ko, which is simple glam look, gagawin ko ulit siya and same product ang gagamitin ko. So this will be a kilay tutorial using an eyebrow powder. So enjoy watching!
So this is the Fashion 21 Duo Eyebrow Powder in the shade number 2. I think this one is the darker shade. So let's start with this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to outline the lower middle and the upper middle part of my eyebrows. And next, I'm gonna use this black shade for the tip of the brows. After outlining the brows, we're just gonna fill those spaces in using the same powder, brown for the middle part and black for the outer part. For the inner part of the brows, work your way lightly towards it and slightly fill that in order to achieve a gradient effect. And then brush the excess product on the brows and keep those hairs in place using a spoolie. Here, I'm just adding a little bit of the product in order to make my brows look fuller. We're just gonna do the same on the other side. Use the brown powder for the middle part of the brows and the black powder for the outer part of the brows. And then fill in the gaps or the spaces. Lightly apply brown powder towards the inner part of the brows and fill that portion in. We're done! Kilay goals achieved using the Fashion 21 Duo Eyebrow Powder, and this is only 150 pesos. Till my next video, mwah!